Let's learn how you can mute a group chat on iPhone. So the method is same for all the application, and I will show you how you can do that on Instagram. And also I will show you a few tips how you can mute entire phone so you cannot get disturbed if you're doing something. First, let's open Instagram, go to messages and open your group chat or whatever chat you have. You can mute also any person if you're getting private messages from someone. What you have to do, click on this arrow near call button, and this will open chat settings. Now you will have to click on this mute button, and you'll see the pop-up notification. Click on mute messages, and pop-up will appear how long you want to mute messages for. I will say until I change it. Second thing you can do is to open on Control Central and click on this moon button that will make do not disturb mode, or just click on your action button near volume up button that will mute notifications. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.